Hello everyone and welcome to the Mac Pro Instagram channel. My name is Celine, I'm an editorial makeup artist from the Netherlands, and in today's video I am going to showcase a shoot we did a couple of weeks ago for Ronald van Kemp in collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. Now, it's really exciting for me to showcase all of these products because never before have I been given such ultimate creative freedom by as well as MAC, as Ronald and his team. We were able to look at each and every individual design and treat it as such for makeup. So each and every makeup is specifically designed to match with the garment that Ronald made and not specifically to match together. Although in the end, it turned out to be a beautiful, cohesive image. So first up, let's talk about skin. We wanted to keep skin looking like skin. So for each and every girl, we went in with face and body foundation, sticking to the C shades for the lighter skin tones and the number N9 for the darker skin tone. Then we went on to Pro Longwear Conceal to cover up any blemishes or to polish up anything that needed some polishing up. And then we used some blot powder just to mattify the T-zone. If any shaping was necessary, we stuck to the Fix Plus Sculpt and Shape palettes. And then if any blush was used, we stuck to Glow Play blushes. Now I'm going to walk you through each and every individual makeup and tell you exactly what was used. So the first look I want to discuss is the graphic high turquoise eye that we created for beautiful Brit. Now it was a rounded out graphic shape, and for that we used acrylic paint in high def cyan. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about acrylic paint is that it takes a while to dry. And right after that moment of application, you have time to stick glitter to it and it won't budge and it won't go anywhere. We used reflex turquatic to press into the acrylic paint to create that beautiful reflective eye. To finish up, we used the smallest, tiniest amount of Glow Play blush in Cheer Up, and then to color in the lips, we used Retro Matte liquid lip color in Fashion Legacy. Next up is a Robin, who wore this incredibly intricate design. Now, I really wanted to capture the spirit of this garment and pair an incredibly beautiful, colorful makeup worthy of Ronald. So we went in with the Art Library It's Designer palette to create a beautiful blend of pinks, purples and reds. For lips, we used Retro Matte lipstick in All Fired Up, which is this incredible blend between a hard cerise and a hot red. We finished up the skin using Glow Play blushes in Totally Synced and No Shame. Then came Athalia, who was an absolute vision in purple. So we used Power to the Purple single eyeshadow to map out an incredible shape for all of the stones to go on top of. To make her radiate even more, we used a Hyper Real Glow palette in Get It Glowing on both her eyes and a tiny bit on her skin. For lips, we wanted to keep it quite muted to give the eyes all of the attention. So we used Powder Kiss lipstick in Impulsive, just dabbed onto the lips, and used lip pencil in Chestnut to outline her lips. Then came Dan, who was an absolute joy to work with because she literally gave me a leeway to do anything I wanted. So there was this leftover piece of fabric from the design that we placed onto the right eye of Dan. For the left eye, we bleached her brows and then went to town with the Art Library It's Designer palette for the yellows, pinks, neon green and reds. To supplement these colors, we went in with single eyeshadows and we used Mint Condition and Red Brick to give it just that extra bit of punch. For the skin, we used a tiny bit of Glow Play blush in Cheer Up to make it beautifully radiant and give her just a hint of color. For lips, we wanted to do something non-intrusive but complementary to the eye look. So we used Sea Sheer for her lips. Then obviously there's no way I can skip myself as I was a part of this shoot. Now let me just say it was an absolute honor to be able to draw my two worlds together, both as an artist and as a canvas. Now my most essential product for this shoot was the Pro Palette Paint Stick. And whenever I try to use separate color and blend them together, I always find that cream products work best for me. Then I went in with all of my powder products and pressed them into the cream to create a very intense and large blend. I used the turquoise and the lime from the Art Library It's Designer palette and then supplemented with single eyeshadows Power to the Purple and Atlantic Blue. Then I went on top with Glow Play blush in Totally Synced to create this immensely big blend to match my Maleficent worthy collar. I finished up with In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara and Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Fashion Legacy. Now on to the last look for the incredible Yinging, who is a professional dancer, a grand sujet for the Dutch National Ballet. Now for her, I had created a really special look, but it was probably the most nerve-wracking since I was trying to create a print on a non-flat surface. Now for this look, I needed a paint that would glide on effortlessly. So I used Chroma Cake in pure white and black to create this incredible look. For the cheeks, we went in with powder blush in Frankly Scarlet and then finished up with a personal favorite, Retro Matte lipstick in Ruby Woo. Well, there you go, a breakdown of each and every look that we created for this shoot. Now, I really want to extend a great big thank you to Mac and to Ronald for giving me the opportunity to do this project. If you have any questions about any of the products that I've mentioned above, then please pop them down below, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!